Hi, I am Dr. Vaughn, part of an elite group of ICE 50 avatars, to present this interesting lecture on Time to Upgrade Your Payment Solutions by ICE 50 partner, ELAVON. Like many businesses, healthcare organizations are transforming their operations to incorporate more digital technology and consolidate vendor relationships to provide an all-in-one, holistic solution. Digital processes allow healthcare facilities of all sizes to be more efficient, serve more patients, understand propensity to pay, and increase profitability. In order to maximize these benefits, however, it is crucial for healthcare solutions providers to integrate digital healthcare payments with the software and systems you provide. Even if all other aspects of the organization operate digitally, efficiency and profitability decrease when healthcare organizations continue to use paper-based processes for payments. What a modern healthcare payment solution offers. Today's healthcare payment solutions benefit patients as well as providers. Leading solutions providers will educate their healthcare clients on their options and the benefits they deliver, including better patient experiences. Patients are also consumers. They are accustomed to omnichannel experiences, payment choices, and convenience. To meet patients' payment experience expectations, physicians, physical or occupational therapists, dental offices, physicians' offices, and other healthcare providers must offer payment options while reducing payment friction. Operational efficiency. Many hospitals and medical practices invest a great deal of time and resources into billing. According to Affordable Quality Healthcare Incorporated, CAQH, the impact of moving from manual to electronic payments can save nearly $2 per payment. Considering the volume of transactions for healthcare companies, this can add up to millions in annual savings. Data security. As rich sources of both personal information and credit card numbers, healthcare systems are a tempting target for fraudsters. Protecting patient information is paramount. But secure processes also safeguard your client's business. Paper-based processes can put payment data, not to mention protected health information, PHI, at risk. What is included in healthcare payment solutions? A number of options exist for technology to increase efficiency and enhance the payments journey. Payments at the office or healthcare facility. For optimal patient experiences, healthcare providers should accept a variety of payment methods so patients can settle co-pays or uncovered expenses. Consumer demand means it's crucial to offer EMV chip card payments, contactless card or mobile wallet payments, as well as ACH payments that transfer funds directly from their bank accounts. Payments after care. While many healthcare providers still rely on manual paper billing processes, a U.S. bank survey found the majority of patients want digital options to pay. In fact, 37% of respondents want to be able to pay through a payment portal, and 32% prefer to pay through a mobile app. Healthcare providers may also benefit from enabling payments from the mobile apps or patient portals they use to communicate with their patients. Benefits to partners. Offering these solutions also creates additional touchpoints with your clients, giving you a greater opportunity to understand new challenges and pain points healthcare providers face and sell deeper by providing comprehensive solutions. You have more opportunities to become a trusted business advisor and building stronger relationships with your clients. Legal release. The views expressed in this article do not necessarily reflect those of ICE 50. One must consult with their legal and financial representatives for any and all legal advice.